Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful jeweler layout pack with 7 different pages. And these pages will provide everything your design will need to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. The jeweler layout pack contains 7 different layouts. So we have a home page, a landing page, a shop page, an education page, a contact page, a blog page, and an about page. And each one of these layouts include high quality images which you can use without any restrictions for your own website. And of course, if you want to, you can use these layouts to create other kind of websites as well. So you're not limited to creating a jeweler website with this layout. So if you really like one of the layouts, you can simply change all of the content, change the images, but keep the structure and just reuse it for your own purposes. And one of the very nice looking layouts of this layout pack is the education layout, which contains high quality illustrations that explain the process. And over here you can see how nicely they have been integrated with Divi's built-in options. So over here you have the following information that you can share with your visitors, and of course you can modify each one of these layouts according to your own needs. So I'll just go back to the landing page over here, and to do that you will need to use the visual builder, and you can enable the visual builder by just clicking on enable visual builder at the top of your page. And this layout pack contains a lot of different section dividers that are applied to the sections of each one of the layouts. And you can modify these section dividers by just opening the section that you want to work on, going to the design tab, opening the dividers subcategory, and over here, for instance, you can change the divider color. You can make things lighter if you want to. You can change the entire color to make it darker. And you can do the same thing for the bottom divider as well. And of course, you can change all of the content that's being shared on a particular layout by just opening each one of the text modules and modifying everything until it matches the message that you want to send out. And if you want to change a layout entirely, you can do that as well. And you can find all of the pre-made layouts within your Divi library. And to access your Divi library, you simply have to click on the icon located at the bottom of your page, then go to the plus icon. And over here within your pre-made layouts, you'll just have to scroll down until you come across the jeweler layout pack or any other kind of layout pack that you want to use a layout from. And once you come across the layout pack that you desire, you can just simply take a look at the different layouts that are available. And before I use this layout, I can view the live demo as well by clicking on the blue button. And over here, I can scroll down and see what everything looks like without having to install it on a WordPress website first. And you can scroll through all of the layouts so you can see all of them at once instead of having to go to the live demo each and every time. And if you want to use a layout, you simply have to click on use this layout. Now within the use case live stream that will happen next Tuesday at 3 p.m. Eastern time on Facebook or YouTube, we're going to show you how to use empty sections to create a unique design. And let me just show you what that looks like. So over here, if I scroll up, we have these kind of section dividers that were made using empty sections. And over here we have these gorgeous lines that are going through our layout. And then we also have the following 2 examples. So we have this design over here that we've added to the landing page, and this one as well. So make sure that you tune in next week, Tuesday, 3 p.m. Eastern time on Facebook and YouTube. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.